Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a ring reveal from Pearl Bath Bombs. This is their Espresso Bath Bomb, and I believe I got this from my monthly subscription box, which I've decided I'm going to continue to get through the holidays. I just want to see if they put out new Christmas stuff, and hopefully I'll get sent that in the box. But other than that, I'm typically not too impressed by Pearl Bath Bombs. I do think they've improved a lot through the years, but their jewelry typically is not my most favorite. In the bath bombs, some of them are really cool and some of them are just kind of eh. So definitely want to invest money into other companies, but if they put out something cool in the future, of course, I'll demo it for you guys. But this bath bomb has real coffee beans on top, so that's not a soap in bed or anything, and that will be left over in your tub. It also has some small coffee grinds like in the actual bath bomb as well. And the bath bomb is pretty foamy, but it's all white, so there's no colors or anything too exciting going on there. I do think it smelled like coffee, but it was not a very strong scent. And I feel like that's the way a lot of their bath bombs are. I could smell it. I could smell there is a fragrance, but it's not very powerful. And some people like that. Some people are sensitive to smells and, gives them migraines and stuff like that. So this is definitely a more mild scented bath bomb if that's something you're looking for. But this one lasted a lot longer than I thought it was going to. I'm used to a lot of their bath bombs fizzing out pretty quickly, but this one hung on for a while. You can start to see the container showing through. Inside there's a strip of paper with a code. I always enter that just to collect my reward points, and every ring I've gotten has always been 100 points. I'm not sure that I've ever got anything more than that since they've changed it. And what you do is you just save those points and you could redeem them for free products. So inside my container, here is the ring that I got. It is rather large. So the only downside with this company, you never know what it appraises for because you only get the reward points. It's not sterling silver or anything like that. I thought this ring was cute, but just very big. And I typically don't like bulky rings, but it's not too bad. So that is what came from my Espresso Bath Bomb. I have a bunch of their Halloween bath bombs coming up, so stay tuned. Make sure you subscribe so you don't miss anything. Thanks so much for watching. Bye, guys.